Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden to Plate. I help viewers who are gardeners that love to cook, utilize their harvest year-round by garden planning, preserving methods and recipes in order to eliminate waste. That interests you, like and subscribe. This is Sally. She is my supervisor. She will occasionally check in and see how my quality assurance to make sure I'm on point. In today's episode, I am going to be making hummus, roasting bell peppers and using traditional seasonings, all in a slow cooker.
Adding baking soda and salt and soaking the chickpeas will ensure silky smooth hummus, so worth doing. Make sure to rinse off really well. A combination of Middle Eastern spices to make a wonderful seasoning. Add 2 tablespoons over the chickpeas. Cover the chickpeas at least an inch with filtered or spring water.
You know what? I should talk about that. Why you use the water that you've been cooking the beans in for when you puree. The reason is it's so flavorful and it's going to blend in it really well compared to regular water because there's a little bit of starch in there, so you'll have a better consistency. So it's absolutely ideal to use. You are correct, Sally. Thanks for pointing that out. The other thing is, what's the difference between bell peppers? When you have a green bell pepper and a red and a yellow and an orange, well, the colored ones are ripe and they are going to be a little bit more on the sweet aspect. When you use a green one, they still haven't ripened and got all their sugars yet. So therefore, you're going to want to use, on the sweet side, use the colored ones. If you want a little bit of a bitter flavor, just slight though, you're going to use a green. So whatever suits your profile.
Spray the bell peppers with some olive oil, so therefore the seasoning will stick nicely and help with the roasting. Sprinkle the seasoning on lightly over the entire bell peppers there. Stick in the oven and then place it in 275 for 15 to 20 minutes or until tender. The chickpeas go into the food processor first, then the roasted red bell peppers. It's going to bring a beautiful color to the hummus. Add tahini, which is sesame seed. Excellent substitute for peanut butter, by the way. Add it in. It's going to add that wonderful roasted flavor to the hummus. And then you're going to add a little bit of Celtic salt. The salt will help bring forward all the flavors that you incorporated during cooking. Add in the aquafaba, so therefore you get a really beautiful puree. Add more aquafaba as needed to get the perfect ideal consistency. I put the hummus into another blender and to get it to the silky smooth texture there. Top with the bell peppers that are yellow and red. Beautiful colors, huh? Hummus can be frozen, consumed within 4 months for best flavor.
If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Thanks for viewing.